Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 19th, 2025, and we're diving into Keysight Technologies' third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Keysight's performance, especially given their strong execution this quarter.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Keysight Technologies reported a revenue of $1.35 billion for Q3 2025, marking an 11% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely. The growth is primarily driven by strong performance in their Communications Solutions Group, which saw an 11% increase in revenue. This was bolstered by a 13% growth in commercial communications and an 8% rise in aerospace, defense, and government sectors. Additionally, their Electronic Industrial Solutions Group also contributed with an 11% increase in revenue.
And how did this translate into profitability?
Keysight's non-GAAP net income was $297 million, with an adjusted EPS of $1.72, significantly beating the forecasted $1.49 from analysts. This reflects their effective cost management and strategic execution in capturing market opportunities.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operational efficiencies, Keysight reported a cash flow from operations of $322 million and a free cash flow of $291 million. How does this position them for future growth?
These figures indicate strong cash generation capabilities, which are crucial for funding future growth initiatives and maintaining financial flexibility. With cash reserves totaling $3.4 billion, Keysight is well-positioned to invest in R&D and potential acquisitions to drive further growth.
What can we expect from Keysight in the coming quarters?
Keysight has raised its full-year outlook, expecting a 7% revenue growth for fiscal year 2025. They anticipate continued strong demand and customer engagement, which should support their growth trajectory.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Let's delve into the segment performance. The Communications Solutions Group reported $940 million in revenue, while the Electronic Industrial Solutions Group reported $412 million. What does this tell us about Keysight's strategic focus?
The consistent growth in both segments underscores Keysight's strategic focus on diversifying its revenue streams. The Communications Solutions Group's growth is driven by advancements in 5G and aerospace technologies, while the Electronic Industrial Solutions Group benefits from trends in semiconductor and automotive industries.
How do these segments align with Keysight's long-term strategy?
Keysight's strategy is to leverage its technological expertise to capitalize on emerging trends in communications and industrial automation. By focusing on these high-growth areas, they aim to sustain their competitive edge and drive long-term shareholder value.
CEO insights and market positioning. CEO Satish Dhanasekaran mentioned that Keysight exceeded the high end of their guidance for both revenue and earnings per share. How does this reflect on their market positioning?
Exceeding guidance is a testament to Keysight's strong execution and strategic positioning in the market. The CEO's confidence in raising the full-year outlook indicates robust demand and effective customer engagement, which are critical for sustaining growth.
What are the implications for investors?
For investors, this performance suggests that Keysight is not only meeting but exceeding market expectations, which could lead to positive sentiment and potentially drive the stock price higher.
Key takeaways. In summary, Keysight Technologies has delivered a strong third quarter with impressive revenue growth and profitability. Their strategic focus and operational efficiencies are clearly paying off. John, any final thoughts on Keysight's investment prospects?
Keysight's strong financial performance and raised outlook make it an attractive investment, especially for those looking to capitalize on growth in communications and industrial sectors. Their robust cash flow and strategic initiatives position them well for future success.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Keysight's performance in the comments below.